When considering the healthiest fish to eat, factors like nutritional content, environmental impact, and sustainability are important. Wild-caught Alaskan salmon is often highlighted by experts for its health benefits. Wild-caught Alaskan salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that support heart health, reduce inflammation, and enhance brain function. Its high omega-3 content sets it apart from many other fish. Salmon is also an excellent source of high-quality protein, vitamins such as B12, and minerals like selenium, contributing to muscle building, energy production, and various bodily functions. From an environmental perspective, wild-caught Alaskan salmon is considered a sustainable seafood choice. Fishing practices in Alaska are strictly managed to prevent overfishing and ensure ecosystem health. It's important to pay attention to the source of salmon. Farmed salmon may have different nutritional profiles and higher levels of contaminants, so wild-caught versions are generally recommended. Beyond salmon, fish like sardines, mackerel, and trout are also recommended for their health benefits. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and typically lower in mercury, making them safe for frequent consumption. Ultimately, when choosing fish for your diet, consider their nutritional benefits and the sustainability of their sources to support personal health and the health of our planet's oceans.